Well, temperatures are going to be rising up here for the next couple of days as we await our next cold front. Now, for tomorrow morning, we have it at 54. Would not be surprised if we get into the upper 50s with the amount of moisture that's going to be dragged in here off the Gulf. But we are looking close to 80 degrees for the high there on Friday, as well as for Saturday. It's going to be a bit warm before that front moves in Sunday morning and drops our temperatures at 59 for the low and 65 for the high. But with all the fog and all the moisture going on, we could likely get a couple little showers there for Saturday morning. So keeping it at about 20 to 30%, relatively spotty throughout the Crossroads region there with the returning warm front. So not really a big rain maker, but it definitely will get the garden a little bit wet there for the morning time. Then the fog dissipates as well as the shower activity goes away. And then we look to Sunday night into Sunday morning. Starting to see a couple little showers pick up north of the I-10 corridor. That's the beginning of the frontal system there as it's going to continue to push down south, where we could start to see isolated pockets once again of some spotty showers as the system pushes down south. So right around 8 a.m. is when I'm thinking that the boundary layer actually makes it down here in Victoria and then eventually pushes off down south. But the cloud cover is still going to be persistent there. But temperatures will definitely be dropping off. I'll tell you, you're going to be talking about 40 degrees, maybe upper 30s for Monday morning. And then we could likely see some mid 40s for Tuesday morning. So when you thought you were going to get ready to put the jacket away, you're definitely going to bring it right back here for Monday and for Tuesday next week. Now, this is all caused by that polar low that's going to continue to push out towards the east there, but we're watching over the Rockies another potential for a mid-upper level low to form. This is actually going to track down south over our area and honestly gives us a little bit of a shot of some rain. If everything times out perfectly where this center low actually continues to track towards our area, it opens up the possibility for rain there Tuesday night into Wednesday. Based off of what the European model shows us for Future Tracker, looking like we're seeing some shower activity pick up there around 35 there, and it does begin to push out towards the Gulf. And there it is, 9 p.m. We start to see a little bit more shower to develop there, and then we see our area getting more of a moderate, maybe likely some thunderstorms associated with this system as well for the nighttime Tuesday. And it's still a little bit of ways away, and it is a very precise location that it needs to be for this to happen. So we're going to continue to track this as models continue to develop and we receive more data for that. But it does end up pushing out towards the Gulf there by Wednesday, and it does keep us a little bit of a lingering shower there for the morning time. So we're going to continue to watch to see what ends up happening once this pushes out into the Gulf. But other than that, we still got a couple days ahead, especially some foggy mornings there is what we're looking at with southeasterly winds at about 7 miles per hour. Getting up to close to 80 degrees, but cloud cover will be picking up because the moisture is also picking up as well. We're going to be seeing those similar conditions getting to 76 degrees, as well as Port Lavaca. Going to be a bit on the warmer side, but starting off in the 60s as well. But the fog is going to be the main story for tomorrow. Next 7 days, we're going to continue to talk about fog until that frontal boundary pushes in. It's going to push all that fog for Sunday morning out. 20% chance for some rain there for the frontal system. And then this is probably going to be our coldest day here on Monday at 59 degrees, 40 degrees to start. So that's definitely going to be a jacket day. And then temperatures start to go back up. Tuesday and Wednesday looking at 20% as well for the rain chances, as well looking at 77 for Thursday. Now don't forget to scan the QR code for more news, weather, and sports. And here's Don.
Thank you.